Hey and welcome to this video. So in this video we are actually gonna do a couple of things. So first of all, I forgot to add in the ability to upload an image. So what we are gonna do actually, I thought would be even better would be to implement the full functionality of this Wizard editor, and then the image will actually be stored in the database. So that's what we're gonna do. So basically, copy and paste this code, and then we just need to do a little bit of change because it doesn't include an image up here, but we can add it in here. So what we can do here is we can say image and link, and then a comma here. And then we just need to create a models object with toolbar, and then that will be toolbar options, which is this variable up here. This will then allow you to post an image without having to do any upload. And since this is the way this Wizard editor works, this would be the best practice instead of trying to find another way to actually upload an image. You could of course also make the ability to link to an image, but we are gonna go with this way now. If you want to try another option, you can do that. So what we're gonna do now is actually we are gonna take all of this. We're still gonna have a container, but we're gonna take all of this, gonna put it inside app.php, and in here, and then we are gonna basically put this out here, because then it will only show a container if the case is that you actually are having a status. This would then give us the opportunity to redirect someone back with a message of similar, and it will be centered. So what we need to do now is to display the blog post. Is first of all we need to pass in ID here. As you might remember from the start, we actually had post and then ID, which is this one. And then we need to go inside our blog controller and find that ID. The way we do this is saying blog find ID. And then because this is not going to be validated, you could actually get someone into an empty blog page. So to make sure that the user only will get in if the blog page exists, is we can say if blog, then we can go here and say else, return redirect back, and then we can store a session. So we can say request session flash status, or you could also redirect the person to the for page, but because the user might instead want to look for another page and another blog post, I thought it would be more practical to actually redirect the person back to the home page where they came from, and then just tell them this page doesn't exist. So now we can go in here and say compact with blog, which is this variable, which then we pass into blade. So now what we need to do is to display all of this. We need to write this here with the exclamation marks, so it will actually know it's something that's going to be posted with HTML in it. Otherwise it will just be posted as raw HTML, and you will see the HTML code, which is not really ideal. So we need to say blog content, and let's put this inside a div for now, and then Also, we need to have in blog title, and we need to have in blog author. And again, we are gonna style this in another video. We're just gonna post all of it, and then we're gonna have, we can just put all of them inside a paragraph tag, just to make it look a little bit better, more easy to read when we see the content. And then we need to have something like created ad blog created ad last updated ad blog updated ad. And then what we can do now is we can go and actually make a new blog post to take, if we can post an image, and then I'm gonna say hello world, post an image from a thumbnail from one of my videos. I'm gonna submit this one here, and we then have all of this. So now this is actually, if you look at it, this is in its own container, which then will be removed when we refresh it. So we won't have like an empty container with nothing in it, which will confuse web crawlers and so on. So this is how we display the content. And you can also put in bold text and all different other kind of things. What we are also gonna do further down the tutorial is something we're gonna do at the end of the series, is we're gonna add the ability to add blog posts, which we're gonna use Vue.js completely. Everything from displaying a blog post to like a blog post, comment, all of them are comment them, and then we're gonna like them, be able to reply to them, and all that. All that's gonna be done via Vue.js. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.